You might receive a transaction error when adding your digital asset transactions into TurboTax. This error occurs because transaction information, such as the pricing or proceeds amount of the digital asset, is missing. Find the Add a Missing Date, Time, or Amount section. Select the arrow to the Needs Review to expand it, and then provide the missing information. Select the Edit icon next to each transaction. The missing information for the transaction is highlighted. In this case, the value of the digital asset is missing for this transaction. Enter the missing value information. You can consult your exchange or wallet's transaction history to find the amount, then select Save. Continue reviewing your transactions until Done appears next to the section. If you have many transactions to fix, you can save time by using the TurboTax Bulk Edit feature. Select the box next to the transactions you want to edit at once, then select Bulk Edit. Select the transaction type and select Save Changes. For more answers to your questions, visit turbotax.com/support.